Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be demonstrating on how to integrate your Katalon with Jenkins. So once your test automation is complete, you need to check in your test automation project into GitHub. Katalon Studio itself has an option, easy option to push your code to your GitHub. Once your code is in GitHub, you need to run a git clone command from Jenkins that will download your code from GitHub to your Jenkins workspace. So to run your automation script from your Jenkins, you basically can do that in two different options. Number one is Katalon Plugin, where this Katalon plugin will help you to run automation script, and second option is Katalon Runtime Engine. So where you need to download your tar file and untar it, and with that Katalon runtime engine you can even execute your Katalon automation script. In this demo I'm going to show two different ways of integrating two different ways how you can integrate your Katalon with Jenkins project. Let us look into it. Okay, now I have the code, working code in my local in Windows machine. I need to push this code to GitHub. Let me go and create a new repository in GitHub. Go click new, demo test, create repository. Okay, now coming back to my Katalon Studio, I'm going to push this code. Main. Next, Katalon demo test, finish, close. Okay, so now if you go and refresh, you will be having the code. Okay, now code check-in is complete. Now I'm going back to my Jenkins. Okay, this is my Jenkins. So basically you need to go to your manage Jenkins and then plugins. Under available plugin, go and search for Katalon. Click this, install. Let me pause a video. Okay, it's so quick. So installation of Katalon is complete. I'm going back to my Jenkins. I'm going to create a new job. Okay, so click new job, make it freestyle, and I'm going to create like Katalon demo test. You okay? And under git, give the path where okay. I need to copy this one code, copy this and give here, and then change it to main. Under the build section, you will be seeing Katalon Studio Test. Okay, so I wanted to show you something. I wanted to go and click this build option. It will generate the command. But if you see here, my Katalon API key is empty. For security reason, it is showing as empty. So you basically need to, if you go and log on to your katalon.com, where you can go and go to your account, and when you click your Katalon API key, you can create your API key. A number of API key you can create. I'm going to use the default. I'm going to copy this and going to update over here and then generate command. So what basically I'm going to do, I'm going to copy, because this is on my Windows, but I'm going to run it on the Jenkins, which is running on Unix box. So I'm going to copy from here and need to change few things while updating in the Jenkins job. Okay, let me copy that in somewhere in my notepad. Okay, so now I need to give 9.0.0. I want to keep it compatible between these two. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the other command, modify it here, and then I'm giving this. Okay, I will suggest you not to share this token. This is like if you share, anyone can access your project. Okay, so anyway, it is my local. I'm going to anyway delete this token later. That's why it's fine to share. Okay, I think we are pretty much done. Let me double check Katalon demo test, and then this is a project. This is a project which I'm going to run. Let me go and run the job. Okay, before that, let me go and clean up my database. Okay, go and run it. So I'm expecting one error which I forgot to change. If you look at here under data files, this particular dat file is still pointing to my Windows location. Okay, I just realized that this should be pointing to my Linux one. So okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to modify, and it's going to throw an error, but in the meantime, just for the interest of time, I'm going to change this path. Edit. Okay, and then change this path to this like this. Commit changes. And also I need to check in this file. Let me see what is going on. Okay, it's failed. Katalon demo test. It says not found. Okay. Okay, my bad. I gave a smaller one. Let me change it to uppercase. Configure. It's always better to give a job name smaller one because it's better to avoid all these case sensitive issues. So I'm going to change it to uppercase. Okay. This time it should work. Apply, save. And anyway, I modified here, but this time it will throw an error saying that this file is missing, which I will upload it. Okay, let me go and upload that file. It's going to throw an error, but in the meantime, I'm going to check in those user data file. So add file, upload files, and then let me drag and drop, commit change. Okay, I did a code check-in, but it is going to throw an error. See here, file not found exception. Okay, anyway, let the job fail. So I'm going to rerun now. This time it should go fine. So I'm running a Jenkins job again. Before I just fixed the problem by uploading this particular file. You can see here user data XLS just now I updated. So let it run. In the meantime, I'm going to show what is there in my database. Select from member. It's empty. Okay, so once my job is complete, I'm going to run my select statement again. Oh, it's still failing. Let me check. Oh, it's throwing an error. Katalon demo test. Oh, again, I think I gave a smaller case. Oh, my bad. It's a copy paste error. Let me modify and make it uppercase. So I'm really sorry that. Okay. Build up. It go this time. It should go through good. Okay. It's trying to update now. Let's wait. Okay, one thing I'd like to say, you need to have Chrome browser installed on the server where you are running your Jenkins. Okay, one is complete. Let me see. You can see there is one data is inserted. Now we have two data. I think it's going good. So we could successfully integrate our Jenkins with Katalon using the Katalon plugin. So as I mentioned before, there is a second way that you say there is a one more method where you can use it. That is even easier than what we are doing it now. Let me show that quickly once this job is complete. Okay, so job is successful. Let me go and check. It should be like 4. So whatever we have it in this Excel sheet, you can see that data is get updated. Okay, that is good. So now going back to the second option, let me quickly show what it is. So basically what you need to do for the second one, you need to install your Katalon runtime engine. So if you go and search it in the Google, like Katalon runtime engine installation. Okay. So you need to download the tar file from the Katalon website, and then you need to untar it. Okay. So what I did here, let me show that in my Unix box. This is my Unix box. Let me change the settings. Okay. Okay. Clear. Yes. CD cubes. Okay, this is the one which I downloaded using wget command, and then I extracted to this folder. I can do a path set, but I'm not going to use Katalon much. This is just to show, because I'm going to do one complete video how to integrate your source code Katalon, and even I'm going to cover SonarQube and your anchor image scanning. For since I wanted to show the end-to-end, I'm setting up that framework. Okay, so if you see here, this is a Katalon C. This particular exe file, this particular file is what we are going to use in order to run your Katalon automation. So let me show what I did exactly in one of the job, and then I will show I'll run that job as well. So this is my Katalon pipeline which I tried some time back. If I go to configure, So basically, if you see here, I gave the path where this Catalan is installed, pwd, and this is what you'll be seeing it over here. Let me zoom it. Very weird. Okay, if you see here, this is a directory which I use where my Catalan is installed. Okay, Catalan C. So I just install on multiple places like home Jenkins.Catalan. But even if you give this directory, it should work. Okay. So fine. So what I'm going to do now here, I'll put all these commands as a Jenkins file in my GitHub account so that you can follow these steps for you to do this. Let me go and create a new job. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm going to change that few path like wherever that new project demo is created. I'm going to modify it. Let me go and create a new job. Okay, copy this. New item. I'm going to copy Katalon runtime. Katalon runtime pipeline. Okay. So if you see that I need to download the Git repository. So let me take this repository. Okay. So because we are using a pipeline, I just wanted to try to show you in a different way. Remove that one. And I'm going to replace this to this one, Katalon Git. And then I'm going to do this cd Katalon pipeline Katalon. This is a spot where, okay, and then this should be like Katalon runtime. Katalon runtime. This is a pipeline job name, and then I'm giving /Katalon, which is not needed. Just remove this. I will remove all these unnecessary lines. Okay. So Katalon C, and then this is should be Katalon runtime. Runtime not needed this, and this project name is different. Let me copy this. Okay, and this is also different. It's sweet, also different name. Let me give that. Okay, I think we are almost done. Okay, let me go and delete my tables again to verify. Okay, going back here, and I will give okay, apply, and save. Let me double check quickly one more time. Katalon Git cd runtime, running this job. I think it should be good. Okay, the job failed. I think I need to give the Katalon Git. Okay. I forgot that. Okay, so let me quickly fix that problem. So I need to give this directory. So because I'm downloading, when I do a clone, it's getting down cloned to this directory. I need to give that. Okay. So basically I need to give it here. Okay, I think we are good. Build now. Okay, it's throwing error, says that already directories are available. So let me delete this directory pwd. Okay, I need to fix that here. Okay. So what we have done, we just downloaded this particular tar file from here, and then we downloaded to my Jenkins server. You see here, and then I untar that, and then whatever I untar, and I gave this the location where my Katalon C is located. Okay, so now going back to Jenkins to see what it is going on. Let me check. Okay, I think so far it's going good. You see that one row is inserted. Okay, all Jenkins job is successful. Let me quickly check. Yeah. So yeah, the both the method where we try to integrate your Catalan with Jenkins through your Catalan Studio, that was successful, and then we use Catalan runtime engine by downloading the tar file and untar, and then running the Catalan C command. So both the methods successfully we integrated. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe it.